Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Toyota Landcruiser GX cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4425. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2007 through to the 9th month 2016. There's a 1VD, 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 4.5 litre V8 turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has been in a rollover. We have an aftermarket GME aerial. Left-hand seat in pretty good condition, grey vinyl. It's got an aftermarket exhaust system. Factory fitted tow bar, supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck, without neck. Right rear 16-inch alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. This vehicle's fitted with grey vinyl interior. Right hand seat's collapsed a little bit. The cup holder, 5-speed manual shifter, transfer shifter, heater controls and CD player. Unfortunately not much else has survived. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.